New to the Control Center update on February 8, 2023 is the ability to do a daily reconciliation in the web browser. As a note, this exists for the employee login of Control Center and not a standard user. After logging into Control Center as an employee and choosing your location, choose the Reconciliation module followed by the Daily Reconciliation tab. Notice the green Add Daily Reconciliation option in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. As a note, the same rules apply here as in the point of sale, where your previous shift reconciliations have to be completed first. On the Success pop-up, you have the option to go to the daily reconciliation by choosing that button, which navigates to a View Only option. In this case, we're going to close it, wait for the row to populate in the grid, and then choose the green Edit option. This will bring up a window very familiar to the point of sale. Here you're going to have your cashier details, as well as your manager details. Next, we're going to verify the shift, so choose the Verify Shift option. Then choose the shift you want to verify, and enter in your manager values. When this is complete, choose the Close option. This will refresh your manager details. Now you can compare your cashier values and your manager values as you could in the point of sale. When ready to complete the daily reconciliation, choose the Reconciliation as Final option, followed by the Save option to finalize and save that daily reconciliation.